नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण मागच्या तासापर्यंत जॉमेट्री म्हणजे मॅथ सेकंडचा 5वा चॅप्टर कोऑर्डिनेट जॉमेट्री बघितला. आजपासून आपण मॅथ्स फर्स्टचा प्रॉबॅबिलिटी हा 5वा चॅप्टर सुरू करतोय. प्रॉबॅबिलिटी म्हणजे मराठीत शब्द आहे संभाव्यता. तर व्यवहारात अनेक वेळा आपण वेगवेगळे शब्द वापरतो, जसे संभवतः, शक्यतो, मला वाटते किंवा मला खात्री आहे, जवळपास असे जे शब्द आहे ते संभाव्यता दर्शवतात. इंग्रजीमध्ये सुद्धा प्रॉबॅबल, मे बी, इम्पॉसिबल, शुअर, नियरली, 50-50 अशा आपण बऱ्याच वेळा बोलतो. काही स्टेटमेंट आपण नेहमी ऐकतो, जसं मोस्ट प्रॉबॅबली द रेन विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम टुडे, द इन्फ्लेशन इज लाईकली टू राईज, इट इज इम्पॉसिबल टू डेफीट इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम इन द नेक्स्ट मॅच. पुढच्या मॅचमध्ये भारताला हरवणं अवघड आहे. आय विल शुअरली गेट फर्स्ट क्लास. एखादी एक्झाम होते, त्या एक्झाममध्ये आपण एक शक्यता व्यक्त करतो, परंतु त्याच्यामध्ये परफेक्टनेस नसतो की मला फर्स्ट क्लास मिळेल, शुअरली खात्रीपूर्वक मला फर्स्ट क्लास मिळेल. आणखी काही वाक्य, देर इज नो पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ पोलिओ इन्फेक्शन इफ ए चाइल्ड इज गिव्हन ए पोलिओ वॅक्सिन इन टाईम. पॉसिबिलिटी शब्द आला, शुअरली शब्द आला, इम्पॉसिबल शब्द आला, तर हे सगळे शब्द हे संभाव्यता म्हणजे प्रॉबॅबिलिटी दाखवतात. क्रिकेटची मॅच सुरू होण्यापूर्वी टॉस उडवला जातो. तो टॉस जेव्हा होतो तेव्हा दोन पॉसिबिलिटीज असतात, हेड ऑर टेल. मग ह्या ज्या दोन पॉसिबिलिटीज आहे, आता टॉस उडवणे, टू टॉस ए कॉइन इज example of random experiment, and after the toss, on the upper face of coin there is head or tail. This head or tail is called as outcome. म्हणजे रँडम एक्सपेरिमेंट म्हणजे यादृच्छिक प्रयोग, आणि आउटकम म्हणजे त्याची निष्पत्ती. जर आपण दोन कॉईन फेकले तर दोन कॉईन कसे फेकले जातील? दोन्ही हाताने आपण दोन कॉईन टॉस करू शकतो, किंवा एकच कॉईन दोनदा फेकू शकतो. मग त्यावेळेस शक्यता काय असेल? दोन्हीवर हेड, पहिल्यावर हेड दुसऱ्यावर टेल, पहिल्यावर टेल दुसऱ्यावर हेड, किंवा दोन्ही कॉईन्सवरती टेल असेल. त्याचबरोबर थ्रोविंग ए डाय इज ऑल्सो रँडम एक्सपेरिमेंट. वी नो डाय हॅज 6 surfaces, and on these 6 surfaces there are 6 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, or there are 5 dots, 6 dots. On first surface there is 1 dot, on second surface there are 2 dots, on third surface there are 3 dots. Like this, the outcome is 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 in tossing a coin. There are some terms in this probability chapter. First term is random experiment. See the first and main term, random experiment. The experiment in which all possible results are known in advance. All possible results are known in advance, but none of them can be predicted with certainty. If we consider the random experiment of tossing a coin, then we know that there is head or tail, means result is known in advance, but none of them can be predicted with certainty. We cannot say there certainly with certainty that it is head or tail, means none of the result can be predicted with certainty, and there is equal possibility for each result, head or tail. There is equal possibility of each result. This type of experiment is known as random experiment. See again definition: experiment in which all possible results are known in advance, but none of them can be predicted with certainty, and there is equal possibility of each result, is called a random experiment. Suppose we take the example of tossing a coin, throwing a die. If we throw die, then there is possibility of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 on the upper face of die. Means examples of random experiment: tossing a coin, second throwing a die, again to pick a card from the set of cards or playing cards bearing numbers 1 to 50. These are some examples of random experiment. Picking a card from a pack of well shuffled playing cards. Playing cards is another example, and it is to pick the card from set of cards bearing number 1 to 50. In lucky draw, there are number of chits in the box, and randomly we pick a chit or a card. That experiment is also random experiment. Now next term is outcome. Result of random experiment is known as an outcome. मराठीमध्ये निष्पत्ती. निष्पत्ती म्हणजे काय, तर रॅन्डम एक्सपेरिमेंटचा रिझल्ट. मीन्स इफ we take example of random experiment, in a random experiment of tossing a coin, there are two outcomes. head, we show it by capital H, or tail, capital T. Then in a random experiment of throwing a die, there are 6 outcomes: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. In a random experiment of picking a card from set of cards bearing 1 to 50, there are 50 outcomes. Then to pick a card from a pack of well shuffled playing cards, there are 52 cards, therefore there are 52 outcomes. In playing cards, there are total 52 cards. We know that among 52, half number of cards, that is 26 cards, are red cards and 26 cards are black cards. From 26 red cards, 13 are heart cards and 13 are diamond cards. From 26 black cards, 13 are club cards and 13 are spade cards. Means we also know the sign for that cards. See here, 52 cards of playing card pack, (26) red cards, 26 black cards, 13 heart cards and 13 diamond cards. Now among 26 black cards, 13 are club cards and 13 are spade cards. Heart cards are shown by the heart sign like this. These are 13 heart cards. Then diamond cards have such sign. Then club cards, club card, the sign for club card is like this. This is sign for club cards. 13 club cards are there and they have such type of sign. And spade cards have such type of sign. There are 13 spade cards. See here, this type of 52 cards are in the set of playing cards. In each 13 cards, that is heart, diamond, club and spade, there are 10 cards having 10 numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The card bearing number 1 is called as S card, ACE. Then remaining 3 cards are face cards. On 11th number of card, there is Jack, picture of Jack. Then on 12 number card, there is picture of Queen, and on 13th number of card, there is picture of King. Means there are 3 face card in each type: Jack, Queen and King. Total 13 cards in each type. Means there are total 40 number cards and 12 face cards. In each type there are 3 face cards. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. This is the information about the playing cards. In solving examples, sometime in some examples of playing cards, this is important to know about the cards. Then next term is equally likely outcomes. See, equally likely outcomes. A given number of outcomes are said to be equally likely if none of them occurs in preference to other. म्हणजे दिलेल्या एक्सपेरिमेंटमध्ये जे आउटकम मिळतील त्या प्रत्येकाची संभाव्यता, शक्यता ही कशी असेल, सारखी असेल. त्यांना म्हणतात इक्वली लाईकली आउटकम्स. नन ऑफ देम occurs in preference to other. Suppose there is example of random experiment. A die is thrown. Any of the number from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 may appear on the upper face. It means that each number is likely to occur. Each number is likely to occur. This is known as equally likely outcome. In each random experiment, the all outcomes are equally likely. If in that random experiment if a die is so far that the particular face come on upper face, then that die is best, is called as best die. In this case, the outcomes are not likely to occur equally, but in general, the all dies or all the apparatus used in random experiment are unbased, that is they are such type that the outcomes are equally likely outcomes. Now we will see some examples from practice set 5.1. First example is there. How many possibilities are there in each of the following? Possibilities, how many possibilities means how many outcomes are there. First, Vanita knows the following sites in Maharashtra. She is planning to visit one of them in her summer vacation. अजंता, महाबळेश्वर, लोणार सरोवर, ताडोबा वाइल्ड लाइफ सैंक्चुअरी, अंबोली, रायगढ़, माथेरान, आनंदवन. She want to go at one place from all these places. Therefore, the possibilities are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 possibilities. Means there are 8 outcomes. She can go anywhere among these 8. Therefore, we have question how many possibilities? There are 8 possibilities. Then second random experiment is given as any day of a week is to be selected randomly. In a week there are 7 days, therefore there are 7 possibilities in this example. Now third is select one card from the pack of 52 cards. There are 52 cards. If we select one card or draw one card from the pack, then the number bearing on the card may be any of the 52 cards or 52 numbers. Therefore there are 52 possibilities. Now fourth example is one number from 10 to 20 is written on each card. Select one card randomly. How many total cards there? From 10 to 20 means 10, 11, 12, 13 up to 20 means there are 11 cards, 11 numbers. Therefore, in drawing or selecting one card randomly, there will be 11 possibilities. Here, in which of the following experiment possibility of expected outcome is more? Getting one on upper face when a die is thrown. Getting one on upper face when die is thrown. And second, getting head by tossing coin. Here in the experiment of throwing a die, there are 6 possibilities, and to getting one on upper face is 1 out of 6. 1 out of 6. But in second experiment, getting head on tossing a coin, the possibility of getting head on tossing a coin is 1 out of 2. Means the possibility of getting head by tossing a coin is more than getting one on the upper face of die, because here to getting one on upper face is 1 out of 6, and to getting head on tossing a coin is 1 out of 2. 1 out of 2 means 1 upon 2 is greater than 1 upon 6. Therefore, the expected outcome, that is second number, getting head by a tossing coin, is more than getting one on the upper face when a die is thrown. Then the next concept is important concept in solving examples, that is sample space. We will see sample space or sample spaces of some random experiment in next lecture. Homework you have to solve practice set 5.1. Thank you.